classic Malaysian coconut and curry spice noodle soup. This one should take you hours, but we're gonna make a cheats version in like less than 20 minutes and the flavor, amazing. This is my cheats version of curry mee. You know me guys, I love a little shortcut, especially when it comes to noodle soups. So this Malaysian style curry mee noodle soup actually starts with some Thai red curry paste. Now, don't get too angry down there in the comments. We are gonna doctor it up with some extra spices and you won't be able to tell the difference, I promise. Okay, let's get going on the curry paste first of all. I just want a little bit of oil and then our Thai red curry paste. So the reason I've chosen Thai red curry paste as our little shortcut here is that a lot of the ingredients are quite similar to if you were making your own sort of, you know, curry mee paste, if you like. You know, you've got lemongrass, you've got shrimp paste, you've got a few of those other things. So that's why we're using this one. And then to give us the curry mee kind of flavor, we have some powdered curry powder, some turmeric for a little bit of color. Just get that sizzling away. Oh, no, I just love the smell of all of those spices. So good. Now I'm going to go in here with some chicken thighs. I just want to get them a little bit kind of seared and getting to know that spice paste in there. Now I want to go in with some coconut milk. Some chicken stock. Yes, I'm using store-bought because, you know, I'm not trying to be a hero with this one. And just mix all of that through. And now for a little bit of special, you know, just because we're doing a cheats version doesn't mean it can't be special. So a little extra ingredient here, we're gonna add some fresh lemongrass. All you need to do is just bruise the stalks. And then just slide those in so they can infuse that beautiful soup. Now you just wanna simmer that for 15 minutes or until those chicken thighs are cooked through. Okay, so this is currently smelling amazing. What I want to do now is just check that broth for some seasoning. So let's just have a taste. That is so divine. I love that, the spiciness, that curry powder flavor, the creamy coconut, all of it, so good. Does need a little bit of seasoning though. So I'm going to add some fish sauce and just a little dash of sugar, just to kind of like round out the flavors. And this is ready to go. Now what I need to do here is just grab out some chicken and I'm just gonna slice that. And now we want some of that gorgeous broth. I mean, look at that color. I love those little red splotches of spice and oil and stuff on the top. So good. A little bit of chicken. Now you can go crazy on the extras here, but I'm keeping it really simple because I want this to be like a really easy one for you guys to do. So I've just got a few bean shoots that I'm going to put on here, a little bit of coriander, and then just a little wedge of lime. And there you go guys, my cheats version of curry mee. You can get this done in like less than 20 minutes and isn't it just beautiful? What a beautiful little bowl. Oh, I can't wait to get in here. Oh, wow, look at that broth. Oh, it smells so good too. That is, without word of a lie, so rich in flavor, like the spices and all of those fragrant like aromatics and the coconut. Ridiculous. It's like we simmered it for hours and hours. So good. Noodles. Perfect. Just perfect.